What's up everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital and welcome to this new video on solar and the SXP. Had to cover it in the end. I mean, I've seen this rallying for so long now. Started with this minor rally up towards 30 cents and now we've gone all the way up to almost 70 cents. A huge increase in price. A lot of bullish momentum. There's actually a funny story with it as well, I think. But I wanted to cover it today, give you my thoughts on what's happening, give you my thoughts on what will happen next and basically what to expect. So that's what we'll do. Now, if you want to receive daily trading signals, completely unrelated, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find instructions on how to join my trading signal group. But now on to SXP. So the funny story I think with it is that I made a video, I think Sunday or Monday, where I said how you could find cryptos that were going to pump or crash. And what I said, the example I gave was SXP. That was actually showing, and I'm going to show you now, it was showing signs that it was going to rally quite a lot, quite early already. I mean, you can check out that video. You can just scroll down in my videos. It's not too long ago. But what you can see with SXP is that the open interest, like the first rally started the 28th of March. Right, so that started right here, and you can already see that the open interest had grown so much after that. Like it was a good spike, but it was minor if you compare it to the price action before that. But the 29th of March, the open interest was so high. It was around 16 million, even though the volume was 350. Well, the open interest was first 5 million. So it was it went up by 200%. So already then you saw that the open interest had become way higher, even though we had only pumped a little bit. So from there we started, probably a big short squeeze, probably manipulation is the reason why we were this bullish. Because even now you can see a lot of volume coming from Korea. Usually that's a sign that there's some sort of manipulation going on. But we have also seen, and it has been proven, that sometimes with manipulation we can also just keep rallying. But all right, let's talk about the technical. So you can see that we have now found our first real resistance. We briefly found some resistance right here around 55 cents, but that I would argue it's not that strong as where we are right now. If you zoom out to the daily time frame, what you can see is that we have now perfectly touched that 382 fib, which is the 382 level of this entire move down. So basically starting last year April to last year May. Very strong fib for all cryptos. That's very strong. So we found resistance there. I think this is the first major resistance that actually has a chance to be the top for SXP. The big question though right now is that you can see that we drop down below this level right here around 63 cents. If we're really going to drop down, then we need to hold that as a resistance. And I actually think that's the most likely scenario. We hit a major resistance level. The market is not doing amazing either, or it's doing great, but there's not a lot of momentum. There doesn't seem to be a lot of bullish momentum. So I think we're going to find resistance at 63 cents and then start dropping. Now, once we have given up like 60 cents and 58 cents as a support, then the floodgates are probably open. The first support is 52 cents. From there, we might actually get some momentum. But eventually, I actually think we'll drop down all the way to this 48, 46 cent level. And then from there, I will keep you updated on that because it's unclear to me yet how far we are going to fall. But I think this initial fall is going to happen. I mean, unless we are able to break above 63 cents right now, but if that happens, I was wrong, and we will probably, probably go up to like 75 cents. Then the sky is the limit again. Not what I think is going to happen, but it's a possibility. I think this is more likely, but as I said earlier as well, I'll keep you updated. I'll monitor it closely. So for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.